How does the team check its applicability that it is actually satisfying business metrics requirements? You don't know. You don't know the answer, and that's why you should be involving the business. The business ultimately makes those decisions. And they know their data best, and they know the goal that they're trying to achieve. The best that we can do as a team is to present them with options and to say, here, we did our modeling, and here is the 4 options you can choose from. And if you choose this option, these are the trade-offs. If you choose that option, these are the trade-offs, right? Or the business might tell you, yeah, show me 5 different models, but only if there's 75% accuracy above or not, right? They might set that threshold for you, but then you can show them different options above that threshold. So that's another way to do it. But the key takeaway here, Meta, is don't make those decisions on your own. Your stakeholders know that best, right? We conduct the experiments, we report on those experiments, we report on what the impact is of each of those selections, and then they choose from there, right? So that's the key takeaway you should be thinking about, that we as a data science team shouldn't be in charge of making those decisions. The business should ultimately make those decisions.